We're going to see the animals today. Yay! Let's go. No. See here? Be careful with the bees, so they could sting. Hey, I heard there's loads of mosquitoes. Well, here there's mosquito lotion. What? Yay! We get to get mosquito lotion. I'm gonna get some mosquito lotion. Mosquito lotion. There we go. Mosquito lotion. Mosquito lotion. Yay! Some more. Mommy! Anya, you should put some mosquito lotion on, because mosquitoes love your blood, you know. Yeah, they suck your blood. Nobody sucks your blood. Yeah, mosquitoes do. Do you have mosquito bites? Yeah, they bite, but they don't suck blood. Oh, poop. Okay, let me put my feet on feet, and yeah, there. You're all dirty from mosquito lotion. I know. Anya, you want to try? Yeah. Wow, there's a deer there. Yahoo! Look at the lovely deer. Wow, that's so cool. Yeah, Mommy. We're going to look at it. Don't wander off, girls. We're going to take a little nap. Wow, look at that little baby drinking milk from her mommy. There's two little babies. See one? See one? They're both little. Wow, there's little babies there. Two of them. Wow, that's so cool. Wow, look at the two donkeys. I think they're cousins, like us. Ooh, that brown one is Anya, and that whiter one is Elsa. And those two sheep too. Come on. Yeah? There, it's okay. There. Oh, come here. Come here. Come back here, donkey. Oh, he's gonna eat sheep. He's smelling the butts. Ew. He's going, sheep. Sheepies. Ooh, another donkey. Jump on the donkey. Touch it. Wow, he's so cute. Or she. Wow, look. We're gonna call her she. Bah, 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 bah. Look, little piggy's taking a bath. Wow, that's so cute. Look at him. Wow, so cute. So cute. Look at him. You want a leafy? You want to eat a leaf? You know, the pigs don't eat everything. They're not herbivores. That one's resting, and that one is taking a bath. Oh, do you hear him? Little chibi. Wow, so cool. The pig taking a little nap. And a pig taking a bath. Taking a bath, Anya. Oh, yeah, taking a bath. I totally forgot of that word. It's very hot, that's why. Five. Jim? It's okay. Hey, I want to touch him too, you know. Ooh. Touch. Hey, what are you doing, little donkey too? Oh, he also wants a message from us. There you go. Oh, he left. Look at the ducklings. They're so cute. The teeny weeny ones. Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute. I want one, Mommy. I want a little duckling. Oh, and a rabbit.
Look at the big pig, Ava. Look. Look at the big pig, look.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, look. We've got a potato. I mean a feather. Oh, that's so Look at them. Look at the red eye one. Look at the black eye one. Ew, what's this? So disgusting. Ew, get up, get up. Get there. Ew. Anya, save me. Ah! Elsa. It's just a little. See? If I open it up. Look, it's a little mini beast. It's only a mini beast. See? Can we swim here? We'd better swim on the beach. Yeah, we better go to the beach and swim on it. Woo! Hammocks! Let's go have a rest. Let's go! The mini beast again. Look at him. It's a lovely place to have a rest. Let's have a rest. Woohoo! What do you think, Minnie? Wow. There's a whole family of turtles there. There's a lot of turtles. Wow. Let's rest and enjoy the views. Let's try the hammock. Yeah. 1 and 2. We're gonna swing. Okay. Yay! Woohoo! Oh no. Ah! So big. It's a big hammock, huh? Ah! I'm trapped. We're trapped. No. Woohoo! That's why I tell it stopped, because it's very wild. Oh no. Oh no. Wow! Look at that boat! We can ride on it later. Wow, that's so cool! Wow, so cool! Yeah! Wow! There's duckies. Like that, there's a duckies. Wow! What's this? Wow! Oh, it's so cute! Wow! Oh my gosh! Look at it! This is so fun! Let's go! Bye bye! It looks like a lemur. So cute! Wow! This water park is amazing! I want to try all the slides! I really want to try them! Whoa, be careful! Hey! Let's go! It has been a very tiring day. I'm so exhausted. Me too. Girls! You have been as good as gold, so we have brought you 2 surprise blind bags Hatchimals. Woo! So, each of you can have a little Hatchimal. Here you, Elsa. There you go. One for you, Anya. Thank you. Can I open mine first? Of course, Anya. Hey, let's open mine up. I love Hatchimals collectibles. Get it? Colleg. Oh, here's the little eggie. Phew. Here's our eggie. Okay. Have the heart. Till it's warmer. Here we go. Hearty. Going to. Oh, the baby's nearly ready. It's nearly all hot. It's gonna be all light pink. Now it's hot pink. Is it ready? Not ready. Okay. Get warmer. It'll be ready in no time, I guess. Okay. A little bit more. And yay! It's opened. Let's get it out. Okay, a little bit more of the eggie. Get out, eggie. Okay, a little bit more, and that's pretty much it. Wow, it's a little panda bear. So cute. It has little sparkly wings. Wow. It's so pink and cute. She's so cute and fuzzy. I think I'm gonna call her Cute. Here you go, Cute. Your little eggie. I'm gonna open mine. I hope mine is a girl. Girly. Open it up. Ooh, this one is with pink sprinkles. Let's see if I can open it up. Open. Ooh, I could. Wow, this eggie is so cute. Okay, warm up. Ooh, it's getting lighter. It's getting like pink. Put it like that so it's warmer. It's getting so pink. Down here it's purple. Not ready to hatch yet. Hatchimals. Because they hatch. Get it? Hatchimals. Because they hatch. Okay. I'm going to do it down here at the heart. Is it ready? Ooh, yes it is. So ready. Okay, I'm seeing a Pegasi. Seeing a little Pegasi here. This little Pegasi. This little Pegasi. Oh, whoa! This Pegasi is so cute. Aww, she likes me. I'm gonna call her Peggy. Come here, Peggy. Fly with your little house. Oh, Anya, isn't she cute? Yeah, she is, but mine's cute. No, mine. Girls. Mine is the best. No, mine. Girls. They're all cute. Okay. Yeah. Come on. Let's go to our hotel room and sleep, okay? Okay. Mommy, we can't go to our hotel room now. We're playing with our toys. They're not toys, right? Oh. No, they're not. Aw, these 2 Hatchimals are so cute. Go to your room and feed them. But we don't have food for them. Feed them. Give them anything. Come on, let's go to our hotel room to sleep. It's so late. Oh, mommies. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell us in the comments if you like the beach or the water park best. Bye!